Hi friends, I am back for another weekend of welding on my Volvo 850R project. Now for those of you that haven't seen the rest of this video series, I previously discovered that this car has some really rusty door sills. Last week, me and my friend Leon got started on the welding process by welding the inside of the sills. Now this is what we're left off with last week, and today we want to finish welding the outside of the sill, and then further on this weekend we want to do the other side as well. Now this is the new outer sill that we're going to use, and I'm going to get started by making some holes in here and cleaning this surface so that this is ready to be welded in place. Well, of course we do still gotta cut out some bits to make it fit, but that's what I'm going to get started with. That looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna use the power file to clean up this surface. By the way, I do realize that this would go a whole lot faster if I'd use a flat disc. However, I'm a bit too scared to remove too much of the metal, so I'm just using the power file for now, as it's just a safer option. That part's done as well. Now Leon's going to help me cut the new sill into shape so that it fits this part. Now we decided to remove this door real quick, so this part is a bit easier to reach. Oh, and to remove the rear door, there's just 3 bolts and 1 connector that you gotta undo. Here you can see Leon drill out the spot weld so we can remove the upper piece of the outer sill. And while Leon was preparing the car itself, I prepared the sill. I'm using a drill to make the holes on the top side, cause the super handy tool I was using earlier in this video didn't really fit well onto the upper side of the sill. This weekend Leon taught me how to do spot welds. I have done a few on my BMW E28 project, since they were actually the first kind of welds I did. But I found it way harder than the regular welds, and I kinda forgot how to do it. Luckily, I can always ask for his assistance when I'm not sure how to weld certain things. Well, that's it for welding round 1. So now I'm gonna clean it up again and then weld the remaining holes. Hopefully there aren't too many, but yeah. Alright, the welding on this side's finally done and I think it looks amazing. So now I'm going to spray some rust converter on there and then I think we're done and we can turn the car and do the other side. But we'll do that tomorrow.
Ja, en door. Ja, en door. Wat was het? Goed, nog steeds gestopt.
Dank je.
Ik weet niet waarom ik naartoe moet zijn.
Ja. This is the other side, so now we're going to take a look at the horror that's behind it. It does look a bit better, but I think we're going to have to weld everything new, but we'll see. We made a little inspection hole, but it's looking a whole lot better on this side, so I think we're lucky. Alright, it is getting kind of late already and we've been doing this since early in the morning, so we're going to call it a day and we'll continue working on this car tomorrow.
Tomorrow!
Good morning, we're back and today we're going to continue welding on the 850. And we want to try and get as far as we can with this side of the car. I do have another day off tomorrow, so we will be able to do the rest tomorrow. But since I have to drive home then as well, we want to try and get as far as we can today. Ew, you nasty. Ew. And of course, we started off by cutting out a lot more metal. Well, Leon is, cause I'm still a bit scared to grind into my car. Luckily, Leon loves cutting into my cars, cause he's probably frustrated that I always bring all of my rusty cars to his garage. Well, this side doesn't seem too bad, luckily. We do gotta cut out this piece and weld in a new piece, but other than that, I think this side's still pretty good. Wat vind je hier nou van?
Ik vind het wel leuk.
Vind je dit leuk?
Ik vind het goed.
Dan toespan?
Ja, mega leuk. Kom aan.
Oeh. Oh, hij gaat.
Dan moet ik hem terug op gaan.
Of ik hou hem even vast weer proberen als je wil.
Dat kan even.
Ja.
Hij is los.
Now back to the skill I acquired last week, making my own pieces of sheet metal. Just like you've seen last week, I'm using some cardboard to get the shape and then I'll transfer it into a piece of metal. This will be the only piece I'll be making this weekend, since I can just go and weld in the outer sill after this one. As you can see, this piece is a bit too big, so I'm going to cut out some more metal on the outsides to make it fit. I think that looks pretty good. Alright, we're done welding the inside, so now we're going to spray some rust converter on there, and then we can finally weld the outside of the sill.
Why does it taste so good? It tastes like that. Death in a can.
Thank you.
Dichterbij. Kom, kijkers, kom. I mean, kom, viewers, kom.
Wow.
Probeer maar. Ietsje dichter. Ietsje dichter. Ja. Druk het door, druk het door. Maar, ja, ik bedoel, ietsje dichter.
Now that the inside of the sill is all done, it's time to prepare the outer sill. Just like I did on the other side, I'm just making some holes alongside the underside of the sill so I can go and spot weld it in place. Since Leon is cutting the sill into shape, I figured I might as well show you his Honda collection real quick. Oh, and my BMW E28 that has been standing in his driveway way too long. Anyways, he has multiple Civics, a couple of CRXs and an S2000. Of course he restores these cars himself, and I think he did an amazing job since all of these cars look so room worthy. And that's it for the other door sill. And I know I will edit this into a little video of a few minutes, but this has taken us 2 days. But it does look amazing. So now let's spray some rust converter on there. Now that we've welded in the second door seal, we are done welding my Volvo 850R project. Now, I know I said that I prioritize getting this car back on the road first, but now that we started doing some body work, I thought I might as well continue doing this. So I'm going to get this car painted first, I think. So next time I'm here, I'll probably be sanding and prepping this car for paint, which probably won't be next week because I still have some other things to do. But please stay tuned for that. For now, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!